Dear students, this video tutorial is for class 9 based on the topic of law of conservation of momentum. Yesterday I had sent you 3 unsolved problems based on this topic. Today we will see the solutions of these 3 questions. So very first question is, you see here, a bullet of mass 50 gram is fired from a gun of mass 6 kg with a velocity of 400 meter per second. Calculate the recoil velocity of the gun. As you know students, the formula for the law of conservation of momentum is this: m1u1 plus m2u2. This is called as initial momentum, okay? Then which is equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. This is called final momentum. ठीक है? So law of conservation of momentum में हमें पता चलता है कि जो initial momentum है वो final momentum के सम के equal होता है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो बॉडीज है स्टूडेंट्स, एक है बुलेट और दूसरी है गन. ठीक है, तो हम भी उन टू क्वांटिटीज को 1 और 2 की फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे. ठीक है, तो हम 1 जो क्वांटिटी है वो बुलेट को मान लेते हैं और जो सेकंड क्वांटिटी है वो गन को मान लेते हैं. ठीक है, सो वी विल राइट फर्स्ट in the solution part we will write the given quantities. Okay, one is for the bullet, so we will write m1 which is equal to 50 grams. This quantity is given in the grams. We will convert it into SI unit which is in kilograms, okay, by dividing it with 1000. Okay, so now it is in kilograms. M2 is given as 6 kg. You can see here mass of the gun is 6 kg, mass of the bullet is 50 gram. Okay, so now so bullet is fired with a velocity of 400 meter. Okay students, when bullet is fired, initially both the bullet and the gun are at rest. Okay, so we have to consider the initial velocities of both objects as 0. So u1 and u2 both will equal to 0 meter per second. Okay, and the final velocity of the bullet is given. So v1 is given as, because 1 is for the gun, 1 is for the bullet, so we have considered v1 final velocity of the bullet will equal to 400 meter per second. So what we have to calculate is v2. Okay students, when bullet is fired, the bullet moves forward direction and the gun moves in the backward direction. That movement of the gun is called as the recoil velocity. Okay, so v1 is given 400 meter per second and we have to calculate the v2 which is the recoil velocity of the gun. Okay, so now we will put the values of these given quantities in this formula. So by putting the values m1 u1, so u and u2 both are 0. Okay, so we can write 0 plus 0 will equal to m1 is 550 by 1000 into v1. Okay, v1 is 400 plus m2 is 6 kg into v2 हमें पता करना है, तो v2 हम वैसे ही लिख देंगे. ओके, तो यहाँ से देखो ये 2 जीरो से यहाँ से 2 जीरो कट हो जाएगी और 1 0, सो ये आ जाएगा 5 4 20. ओके, 20. So look here students, 0 plus 0 will be 0 is equal to 5 4 20 plus 6 v2. Okay, 20 will go on the left side and carries the negative sign. So minus 20 will equal to 6 v2 and 6 is multiplied by v2 and it will divide on the other side. So it will be 20 by 6 is equal to v2 and v2 will come, when we cut this, this will equal to 6 3 is the 18, so minus 3.3 meter per second. So this is the answer. So why this is negative? This is negative because bullet goes in the opposite direction of the recoil of the gun. Okay, if we have considered the bullet velocity is as positive, then we have to consider the velocity of the gun as negative, because velocity is a vector quantity. Okay, When bullet flows in this direction, if this velocity is considered as positive and the gun recoils in this direction, this velocity will be negative.